Hey YouTube, we're back into another great cross video. Today I'll be doing some Christmas things. I did this before, but I got copyrighted and flagged and everything because of that Mariah Carey song that no one likes. I mean, sorry, me. Anyways, yeah, I'll be doing this. Enjoy if you don't look, we don't look. Kim do this for you. I've been here already. Nope. Just enjoying the nice Christmas trees and everything here, blah blah blah. Yeah. If you guys love these videos, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell in the comment down below, and enjoy my videos. And make sure thumbs up. It's absolutely free to subscribe. You don't have to pay nothing to subscribe. Oh look, there's a plane. Yeah, I don't have to do that. It's not music. Whee! And people in the way. And off it goes. See? Look, yay! Okay, anyways. Look, they'll be famous. You don't want to look, you don't look. I don't want to enjoy the lady with you. You're fine? Okay. Hey, it's a top hat. It's a CN Rail. Famous. I like bugging them. Yeah. Okay. What if I get copyrighted for that? No. Oh, that's not the song, never mind. Yeah. These are from Woodward, you know. Look, he's moving. Evil. Literally. Look at that. It's a small world after. What? Aww. You know, these things are like 50, you know, he's like 50, 60 years old, eh? Or more. Hey, look, it's what's his name? From One Piece. Look. No, YouTubers, it's One Piece. I see. Pretty. It's Christmas and no, not really. It's Christmas in Vancouver. Yeah, we have no snow. And yeah, it's warm. And they have no Christmas lights. And see, that's Vancouver's fun for Christmas right there. Yeah. Hey, snowflakes. Yeah, rip off. So, yeah. So if everybody wants to know what this is the wannabe version of Soaring in Disney California DCA. What? That's the history of all this stuff you see in the back right there, and all the windows I'm showing you, things like that. So if you want to read on that, and then you see that in the background, that's what that is. Right there, all the windows. But let's go back here. This is a so-called thing that opened up in 2014. They said it was the first one in the world, which it wasn't, because Disney DCA California Adventure, aka California Adventure, was open in '99, and they had this too. Yeah, and cheaper. For the whole entire park, not just that. There you go. If I'm wrong with that, it's like 2004, 2005. Someone's pointing at something. Oh, the mouse. There you go. Yeah. No. He's not moving.
I know.
Yep. And back to that. They're gonna, you know, yeah, I'm talking the same thing to both of you, all of you watching, including the one only beside me. It's because everybody's gonna go, what is that? You have one in Canada? We have one in Vancouver. Oh, what's Fly Over Canada? It's soaring. That's what it is. Soaring. Everybody's gonna ask me, so I have to say what it is, right? And what is that? It's the same thing you have in US, but you fly over Canada, which is amazing, but no. It costs the same price to ride that 2 times what it is to get into Disneyland. Sorry, my bad. It costs the same amount. Stanley Park. Stanley Park, bigger than Central Park. If you don't believe me, look it up. And it happens to be in Vancouver. No offense to Vancouver. Ah. Trees. Bruce Mountain is right there with the lights on right there. Oh crap, we gotta zoom a bit. Hold on. Right there. That's Cross Mountain. This is on the other side. You can't see that. One day. Well, not one day. We're gonna go back like when it's warmer. I haven't made a video with this, have I? No, you haven't. Amazing, you haven't. On my YouTube? Well, other than opening up Pokemon cards. I've changed, okay? I don't do that no more. Well, I still do, but you know what I mean. Want a picture? No. Oh, you want a picture when you get back? You want to be in a video or no? Alright, do it when you get back? No. The Grinch's dog's not happy.
Oh, yeah.
Snowflake. And soaring. I mean, fly over Canada. I mean, just fly over Vancouver. Vancouver version. Hey, Baby Determination. It's the generic version. Man, haven't done it here before, remember? Not this, right? So let's do this. So now we're going into the Port of Discovery Center, which we can look around in here. And yeah, just what? People be famous. I am. I know what I'm doing. No car goes. Just in case Jacob sees my videos, he can learn about this stuff, which I don't know how to do it that well, but I'm still learning from him and Adam. I showed that. They know what that is. There you go. That's that. The silver commemorative platter. There you go. Right there. There you go. Around that. A sheep. A sheep.
For J-Rogers. Absolutely.
What's in the briefcase? Ooh, tea. What's in the briefcase? Empress of Japan luggage label. Ooh. The Empress of Japan luggage label. It's the Empress of Japan's luggage label.
This is for shipping.
That's the Empress's luggage label. I wonder if it's real.
Shipping.
Ship it. Shipping container. Yeah. Why is that blurry? There we go. 1891. I wonder how much Pawn Stars they give me for that. How to make them laugh or try. Right? Find Peter Pan.
Oh, yeah.
The sheep. So, determination. If you love these videos, like I always say, subscribe, hit the bell, and comment down below, and you can see a lot more great, cool, awesome stuff like this all the time. I actually completely forgot about this place, and I'm just bringing you in now. It is free to come in, free to look around, and I forgot about it. I don't know how I did it, but I did it. Now we're just going into this weird, wacky, cool, do not sit on these plate thingies. This would be like this would be a whole day doing this. It would be. I know, but it'd be a whole day doing this, like literally, so I'm not gonna do it all today. No, I would have to stand here and go, yeah, right? Yep. That's one video for today. I'll be doing a lot more. I'll be posting this one probably the next half an hour or so. Mario, in the next hour or so. So I'll be doing a lot more. Well, I know what. Oh God. So we're doing a lot more. What? I'm talking right now. You know when Carbag talks is like this. Yeah, well, that's it for the day. So, yeah. You know that. You saw that. So, hey, Sophie. Oh, actually, here, take a picture. Here, no. Okay, well, you go first. There you go. Hey, wave. There you go. My turn.
Thank you.
This is like a little video thing. Is that cool?
Merry Christmas. Thank you.
Thank you.
We came at a good time.
That was cool.
I know.
You okay? Okay. Bye-bye. I even know they had a seagull dressed up as Santa here. Like we say. Like I didn't cut you guys off right there. It's a seagull. Just a Santa. Anyways, YouTubers, bear with time nation. I gotta stop saying YouTubers. My bear with time nation. That's why you guys don't like me. Because I keep saying YouTubers. You guys like these little things I just don't care about. But, like I said, bear with time nation. I'll be posting this video real soon. And make another one, and post another one, and make another one, and post another one. Bear with time nation. Love you all. Be safe. Take care. Have a great Christmas. It is December 22nd. You'll see at least 2 more today, maybe 3 more. Depends on what I get done today. And I'll come out tomorrow, do some more as well. Tomorrow, there's a Christmas market on the other side. Won't be going in because we went to DCA and Disney, as you've seen. So now we can't do that this year. I sacrificed that. Who cares? Good choice is definitely a good choice because I got away from, you know who. Anyways, peace out. Be safe. Ooh, Scots. Be safe. Take care. Love you all. See you in a few minutes. Well, you know what I mean. Peace. Christmas tree. Bye-bye for now. Bear with time nation.